All right, guys, if I go through YouTube and I swear if I see another video that says something like make your portrait cinematic, make your videos cinematic, what even is that? And why do people keep making videos about making your stuff cinematic? I'll tell you why. It's a buzzword for gullible people like you and me, maybe, to click on the video and watch something. And I've done it, I swear, a ton of times, being as gullible as I am. And I still can't tell you what cinematic is exactly. I feel like it's just somebody's opinion at this point. What is cinematic? Does it look like a movie? Does it look like Aliens? Or does it look like Troy? I don't know. Does it have to do with complementary colors? Does it have to do with the lighting that you're using? Oh, I'm using 3-point lighting. It's so cinematic, right? Do I add film grain? Hey, maybe that'll make it more cinematic. Is it the environment that we are filming or shooting, right? Are we using a wide lens? It's so cinematic. Are we using an anamorphic lens? Oh, that's so cinematic. Like, come on. Has anybody nailed this down yet as to what looks cinematic? Because I can't figure it out. I'll tell you what I think it is. I think it could be a combination of all of those things. And for those of us searching to make something cinematic, we're not getting there because we're maybe a one man or one woman band. We don't have a team of people to work on colorizing. We don't have a team of people to location scout. We don't have a team of people to retouch, to edit. We don't have a team of cinematic lighting, a lighting team to go light our scenes. All these things, to me, this is my opinion, are cinematic, right? And you put these teams together and you do all this stuff and you get something that looks cinematic, and then you throw some film grain on top, and that always makes everything cinematic. So you guys tell me, what do you think is cinematic? If I threw a shot, I'm a photographer. I'm not I do some video, but no, I'm a photographer really. Do you think, this is cinematic? What do you think? Let's go over here. Do you think this is cinematic? We have some colors here that are complementing each other, right? We've got a nice portrait, right? We've got some lighting here. Maybe, is 3-point lighting cinematic? I've got rim lighting here and a key light. And does it look cinematic to you? Should I go back to the scene here? Should I do something more interesting? Should I have gotten the location scout to go scout a location and we shoot on location instead of studio? And, is this cinematic? I don't know. Is the lighting cinematic? Are the colors cinematic? What makes something cinematic? What do I need to do to make my portraits more cinematic, or even some of my video? And here's the thing. Should I even care what is cinematic? Should I care if my work looks cinematic or not? Because I feel like this is just someone's construct of what they think is good, right? Maybe I'll just do me. I'll just do the portraits the way that I do them. Yes, I can always improve. We can always find better ways to do things. We're always evolving, right? And I always say, no matter how good you think you are, there's always ways to be better, right? So you never stop learning. But I'm probably never going to click on another video again that says how to make your work cinematic, because at this point, I'm just going to do me. You guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.